Hi guys, today's book is about Baby Shark and it's called Baby Shark and Magic Wand. Let's read this fun book together. Here we have Baby Shark, Mommy Shark, Daddy Shark, Grandma Shark, Grandpa Shark, and Magic Wand. Grandma Shark has a magic wand. Poof, she says, my wand can do anything. Grandma Shark sees a baby fish. Boo-hoo, he says, please find my mommy. Poof, Grandma Shark says. The fish's mommy comes back. Grandma Shark sees a pink fish. I need a house, the pink fish says. Poof, Grandma Shark says. The fish gets a new house. Thanks, the baby fish says. You found my mommy. Yay, the pink fish says. I love my house. Grandma Shark is so happy. She twirls her wand, but it falls and breaks. Oh no! Grandma Shark fixes her wand. Then Baby Shark asks, can you turn my ball into a friend? Grandma Shark says, I hope this works. Poof! Oh no! Grandma Shark says. The broken wand turned Baby Shark into a toy. Grandma Shark has to fix it. The wand sparkles. Phew, Grandma Shark says, that worked. Baby Shark is back to normal. Then Grandma Shark sees Mommy Shark. Can you make my pencil longer? Mommy asks. Grandma Shark says, I hope this works. Poof! Oh no, Mommy Shark says, it got even shorter. I'll try again, Grandma says. Poof! That worked. Grandma Shark, Baby Shark says, can you help me build my sand castle? Grandma Shark does anything for Baby Shark. Of course, she says. Now, Grandma Shark says, let's see if this will work. Poof! Oh no, Baby Shark says, my sand castle is shrinking. It's okay, Grandma Shark says. I'll get it right this time. Grandma Shark casts her spell and the sandcastle grows bigger. It's the biggest sandcastle ever. Even a broken wand can spoil the fun. Hooray! Baby Shark says. I love my magical grandma. What a nice book. And I think all grandmas are magical. Thank you guys for reading with me. See you all next time. Bye bye.